The trailer of Rani Mukherjee's Mardani has got massive appreciation from not only the critics and audiences but Bollywood celebrities too. She is now all ready to inspire you with the Mardani anthem. Yes, you heard that right. A heart-wrenching Mardani anthem starring Rani Mukherjee is a thought that has come from the anger and frustration we go through in our daily life, said Rani Mukherjee at the unveiling of the song.
So I think this is basically a thought that has come from all the anger, from all the frustrations that I think we girls go through every day in our life. And that's what the poem says.
The anthem is written by Kausar Munir and is sung by Sunidhi Chauhan.
And ये जो anthem है, इसमें जो लिखा है कौसर ने, I think it's very beautifully depicted कि जब तक आप मेरे आन पे, आप मेरे मर्यादा पे हाथ नहीं रखोगे, तब तक मैं आपके साथ अगर आपका नज़रिया मेरे तरफ अच्छा होगा तो मैं आपको नज़र लगने भी नहीं दूंगी. अगर आप मेरे साथ अच्छा रहेंगे, आप अगर मेरे दिल में आप बसेंगे तो मैं दिल में आपको भर लूँगी. लेकिन अगर आपने मुझे छेड़ा तो मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. तो ये जो एक है, हर औरत की ये एक कहानी है कि वो अपने हस्बैंड को, अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को, अपने पिताजी को, अपने भाई को, अपने बेटे को बहुत चाहती है, बहुत प्यार कर सकती है. लेकिन अगर उस रिश्ते में भी कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हो कि उनकी मर्यादा को ठेस पहुंचेगी, तब वो नारी उठ के बोलती है कि मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. तो इसीलिए ये जो लिरिक्स है, ये आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू, इन माय ओपिनियन, be very, very powerful for women to always, and it will become an anthem for all the ladies who love men also and who can challenge men if they come to cross their paths.
Director Pradeep Sarkar's film Mardani will see Rani as Shivani Shivaji Roy, an officer of the Mumbai Crime Branch Unit. In the raw and gritty tale, Rani displays women power. She said, men are physically strong, but women are mentally and emotionally strong. There is nothing man can do without women.
I think हम जितनी महिलाएं हैं, we all women, I think what we all have is the strength, our inner strength. And the strength that we have, I don't think even men have. Men might be physically more powerful or physically more strong, stronger than us, but I think emotionally, mentally, we are much stronger than them. And I don't think there is anything that a man can do without a woman. You know, they have to depend on a woman to do everything. मतलब even if they have to have a child, they have to depend on a woman. तो ऐसा तो है ही नहीं. मतलब nature is something that man and women together is something that makes them powerful. Not one person is powerful.
Produced by Rani's husband Aditya Chopra of Yash Raj Films banner, Mardani is slated to release on August 22nd. Well, we are eager to see Rani Mukherjee's this new avatar. What about you? Like this video, write in your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Backstage.